Alex here, and this is another small unboxing. And yeah, so I know that this one has a couple of photo cards that I ordered, and this one is, I think it's, I don't recall anymore, but I think I know they are seungmin photo cards, so that's it. So this one, oh, I know it's the unveil photo card, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, this is a little bit, sorry, bubble wrap. Sorry. Is that a 4 card? If it is, that's huge. I thought they would be like regular size photo cards. Oh, there she is. It's really well protected. Too well protected, in my opinion. I mean, it's always best to have more protection than non-protection at all. So, yeah. Yeah, oh my god, it's the Unveil Japan photo cards that I got. And oh my god, these are huge. Okay, take this off. Oh my god, they are so big. I did not expect them to be this big. I thought they were like regular size photo cards. This came off as a surprise for me. They are like pentagons. Can you feel it? Unit photo cards or photo card size. This is such a pain of sizing to get in the Ultra Pro sleeves. I cannot believe how am I gonna store this. No, 4 pocket ones? God. Alright, so this is one. I actually got the full set on Instagram seller, but I did not receive it yet. And that was the only one I was missing. So I think there are 6 photo cards in total, but the set I bought only had 5 and it was missing that one, so I just decided to buy that one separately. This one has, oh, here we go. Oh yeah, this is the broadcast that I bought on a whim, because I was missing this one. Boop boop. It's Mira's broadcast photo card that I was missing, and I'm really glad that I found it for a good price. And I also bought some other photo cards as well. This was from a Twitter seller. Okay, there's a lot of photo cards in here. So this is Mira broadcast photo card. This is I am not unit photo card. I was missing a couple of units, so I just thought, why not? This is also from Miro. I think this is the only one I was missing from album photo cards. Now I'm only missing the limited version photo card. Now this is one of the yellow wood pre-ordered photo cards. I'm missing the other one. If anyone has the other unit with seungmin in it, please let me know. I do have a budget for photocards that is like $5. If like, yeah, but for these ones, I think that would be like, I don't know. I see people selling the whole set for $2 each photocard. So yeah, that's it for my seungmin yet again little unboxing. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a lovely day. Bye.